Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with React Router for seamless SPA UI navigation step by step clearly. First, ensure you have your React application set up with React Router installed. Begin by creating a new component called authroute. In authroute, import the necessary modules from React Router. Use redirect to navigate users based on their authentication status. Create a prop called component to receive the target component for the route. Next, implement a condition to check the user's authentication state. If the user is authenticated, render the passed component. If not, use redirect to route the user to the login page. Now, move on to your main application file, typically app.js. Import your newly created authroute component. Define your private routes using authroute in place of the standard route component. For each protected route, provide the target component and the authentication logic. Do not forget to create a central authentication context or state management solution to manage user sessions. Consider using React Context or a library like Redux to handle authentication globally. In your login component, implement a method to update the authentication state upon successful login. Once logged in, redirect users to their intended destination using the history object from React Router. Test your application by navigating to protected routes to ensure the authorization logic works correctly. Review your code to ensure all components are properly linked and functioning as expected. Finally, polish your UI to enhance the user experience during navigation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.